Guys, in front of me is iPad Air, and let me show you how to manage spoken directions in Maps. So, at first, open the settings, then under Settings list select Maps. And here you will notice spoken directions. Enroll it, and now customize it however you like. So let's start with voice volume. It can be softer, normal, or louder. Let me leave it in the middle option. Then you can activate or deactivate direction, pause, spoken audio, however you like. Then you can activate or deactivate directions wake device. Actually, it's a pretty useful one, so let's leave it active. And you can also activate directions on radio, so it's perfect while you're driving the car. You'll be able to hear spoken directions when you're listening to the radio. So this is it. Customize it however you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.